Welcome to Wealth Creation Investing. My name is Forex Joe, and in this training session, we're going to be talking about the gravy train method, one third, one third, one third, and trying to generate 200 pips per month. There is a basis to this exercise, and as you read this disclaimer, which we have to put up for every recording, I will share with you that all my clients go through the gravy train method because we look at dividing the lots into threes. Now, you might start off with 3 regular lots, mini lots, or micro lots, and you have a take profit 1, a take profit 2, and you let the last lot run. Part of the scenario is once you get to take profit 1, you then move your stop loss to break even plus 1, and this turns it into a zero risk trade. The reason that we only try to generate 200 pips a month, and part of that exercise as you continue to read this and I show you the gears, is that 200 pips a month can be attained in any market condition. And if you're able to take 200 pips a month, apply that over a 36-month period, and let it compound, and the key word being compounding, you will change your sense of direction in the markets. As you can see, this 15-minute chart continues to do all the work. We start from left to right because we have the 15-minute chart that rolls over into 30 and the 1 hour. Everything that I do as a trader is based on the 24-hour previous day chart, and I'm looking from left to right to the weekly and the monthly to continue my goal of pip profit. Now, you will always have light bulb moments in the Forex markets, and as we embed these into your mind, you will eventually go to sleep at night thinking about the Forex markets. You'll be thinking about the gears, how the gears operate, and having light bulb moments on a consistent basis. On the Gravy Train 1000 Pip Club methodology, and we've had hundreds of people that have joined us in this Gravy Train 1000 Pip Club. As we talked about, if you have one regular lot, it's worth $10. If you have one mini lot, $1, one micro lot, 10 cents. For those of you that have the itch to start trading, I would suggest that you start with micro lots because 10 cents allows you an opportunity to get your feet wet into the markets if you're brand new. So we are based on a third, a third, and a third. So let's say that you just do 3 micro lots. And under this trade plan regiment, you will have the currency pair. You will have what your entry is, your stop loss. Your take profit 1 might be 10 pips. Your take profit 2 might be 20 pips. You've moved your stop loss to break even plus 1, which turns it into a zero risk trade. You have your risk reward ratio, and you let the last lot run if you're able to get some wiggle room and it does not come back and take you out, which we call the gravy train. Now, this seems real simple of a process. It might be a foreign language to some of you, but as you practice it, especially if you are part of our FX trade alerts and are getting our daily reports, we have all that information that is in the daily reports at the bottom and also on the members area page. The Gravy Train 1000 Pip Club methodology, here's an example. Let's say that you enter a pound US dollar trade at 60.44. You have a stop loss at 40 pips away. You take profit 1 at 60.94, which is 50 pips. You have take profit 2 at 61.64, which is 120 pips. You're actually having a 3-to-1 ratio. Your stop loss is 40 pips, and you're looking at 120 pips for take profit 2. The difference between the stop loss of 40 pips and your take profit 2 at 120 pips is a 3-to-1 return. Once you get take profit 1 at 50 pips, you will move your stop loss to break even plus 1 pip. So your entry was 60.44. You've now taken profit at 60.94, which is 50 pips. You now move your stop for the remaining 2 lots at break even plus 1 to 60.45. Now this turns into a zero risk trade once you take profit 1. There is no way that you can lose any money. This has worked and withstood the test of time. It takes out human emotion. It takes out self-doubt and fear, and you have a game plan. Now, if you're able to let the last lot run to maximize pips, this is where you get your gravy train. This is where you build an account as a swing position trader. We teach you how to scale back in using this format, and you could have several trades with movements. So once again, if you take a look at your daily reports, if you're part of our FX Trade Alert family, then if you go down to the bottom, you will see an example like this. B is for buy, S is for sell. You have the pair, you have the entry, the stop loss, the take profit 1, the take profit 2, the risk return ratio. Under this scenario, you're using a stop loss of 30 pips. Your take profit 2 is at 90 pips. The difference between 30 pips and 90 pips is a 3-to-1 ratio. That's 30 pips divided into 90 equals 3, and you get a 3-to-1 return. And the gravy train is once you get to take profit 1, take profit 2, you let the last lot run. Now, there'll be many times that you will get taken out after take profit 1. Some of you might have take profit 1 all the way down to 5, 10, 15 pips. Some of you might have take profit 1, 20, 25, 30 pips. It's depending on what's happening under current market conditions. If you continue to get taken out, here's where you get solace. You continue to build your stop loss account, so when you do have the runners and it moves 300, 400, 500 pips, you're in position to be successful. Please do this exercise with at least the currency pair that you are stocking. Now, we ask that you stock a currency pair and, if possible, all potential trade recommendations in a practice regimen account when you're looking at the daily report. Ladies and gentlemen, the Gravy Train 1000 Pip Club is an elite status to reach. Many of you would never come close unless you followed this exercise. So you always let the Gravy Train run in a practice regiment demo account till you generate up to 1,000 pips so you can visually see that it is possible. The belief becomes real as you pass 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 pips of letting that last lot run. In fact, I encourage you to take screenshots and add to your journal for this type of training. Once you see that you're able to generate 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 pips and become a member of our 1,000 pip club, it becomes a belief system to where you may not understand how you did it. You may have fought like cats and dogs against it, but you were able to leave the trade open after taking profit 1 and taking profit 2 and letting the last lot run. Always treat currency pairs that you are stocking. We ask that you pick one currency pair that you stock along with the Euro US dollar that I cover as a live account in a second demo. So in other words, you're putting all of these trades in a practice regiment demo account to have training. You're now getting a second account demo and treating it as if it was a live account for practice. You're scaling in and out of these techniques in the live accounts. We will continue to grow and show you how to accomplish this task. Let this just be one more weapon in your arsenal that will allow you to attain your goal of becoming a successful Forex trader. Good luck as the journey continues. I want to thank you for taking time to attend this video webinar. Please visit our video blogs at Wealth Creation Investing. And until next time, may all the pips be with you. My name is Forex Joe.